Hi there, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to restart Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. You can do in many methods, like there's two methods to get the restart option on your screen. You can just simply tap and hold on your power button to get the power off menus like this. But if you actually turn on Bixby for that long press, then you won't get the power this power off menu from here. So you can just simply do simple steps to get the power off menu from this power button here. You just need to simply go to the advanced settings, these advanced features, and from here you'll find side button. Simply tap on it, and in long press make sure that you select power off menu. So whenever you just long press or hold on this power button, you will get the power off menu. For example, from here I will get the power off menu after I long press on it, then I will get the restart option from here. Now another way, if I have set Bixby for this long press, so I can do is hold on this power button and volume down button at once together. We just need to hold on these two buttons to get the power off menu, and here we will get the restart button. Here it is. So there's another way from the control panel. If I scroll down from the right side of my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra screen, then I will get the power off button from here icon. Simply tap on it and you will get the power off menu, the restart menu, without pressing any type of button here. So you can just tap on restart and tap on again on this icon or on the screen anywhere to confirm that you are restarting your device, your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and simply that's how you can easily restart your Samsung S25 Ultra without any button or with button. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.